Hello everyone, my name is Sammy Cotter. I'm a third-year management and business economics major, and today we're going to be going over 5 tips on how to improve your email etiquette. Sit back, grab a coffee, and let's get on the move. So, 5 points we're going to be going over today is the 3 P's, the subject line, the greeting statement, the closing statement, and the signature. The 3 P's of an email: professional, polite, and to the point. An email is something that someone doesn't want to sit and dwell on and try to reconstruct and try to figure it out. They want it to be very simple and to the point. At the same time, you want to be professional and polite. So when you are creating an email, you want to make sure that you're not using run-on sentences, you're not dwelling too much on the politeness and talking too much about their day and asking questions about that. Usually there's a subject line to an email, which we'll get right into in a second, and that kind of will lead on where this conversation between you and whoever you're emailing will go. The subject line. The subject line is something that is difficult yet easy. I don't know why it's like that, but it is. Now, the subject line goes back to the third P of to the point. You want to make sure that the subject line is capturing whatever is inside the email. The greeting statement: what to do and not to do. What to do: always use hello or hi. You can also use their title, such as professor or doctor, as in, yes, you guessed it, Dr. Phil. Now, they work for that title, so um, it's very polite to use it. And then you want to follow it up with just a simple, polite sentence of just like, I hope you're doing well, hope this email finds you well. Just kind of sets the tone that this is like, it's very calm and like a friendly space to be sending messages to one another. What not to do: do not use hey. Hey is more slang, and it's something that you would probably use just when you're talking with someone face to face. Over email, it just seems less professional. And do not greet with how's it going, like what it do, what's up. Just keep it to like, I hope this email finds you well, or hope your day is well. This is just out of professionalism and a little bit on politeness. So you write what it do to someone that's older, I don't think they'll understand. What it do, baby? So, yeah. The closing statement: what to do and not to do. What to do: after you finish your body paragraph, and your body paragraph is very closely related to the 3 Ps: professional, polite, and to the point. Now that you're done with that, you want to jump into the closing statement. So you always want to make sure that the conversation keeps going, and if not keep going, then at least kind of end it nicely. So if you were to say keep it going, then obviously you'd be expecting like a phone call or a conversation. So be like, I look forward to speaking with you, or I look forward to our conversation. And in a more closing fashion is, I look forward to working with you. And let's say this is just like a quick email, just like, you send an email, you get the response. You want to thank them for the response, thank them for their time. Like, oh, well, have a great rest of your week. Have a great rest of your weekend. What not to do: don't write anything that's not professional, like see you later, alligator. And you don't want to keep it blank. It's always good to just have a closing statement at the end. This is just out of professionalism. At the same time, it's similar to the opening statement where it's polite and sets the tone. So when you end in a very nice manner, usually just kind of keeps things in a friendly environment, friendly tone. The signature. Now the signature will be moving over to a UC Merced website where they actually have a email signature generator. So let's hop into that. Okay, so if you go to marketing.ucmerced.edu/resources/brand guidelines/email signature generator, you'll hop onto this page right here. Now what you can do is you can just copy. So you're gonna hit settings, You're going to go to search, and you're going to search email signature. It's going to pop up. And what you're going to do is just going to go bam and paste. And you're going to have it there. So now every time you start an email, this will automatically be included in that email. Now we're going to hop onto Gmail. So what you're going to do is you're going to hop on, you're going to go over here to the right where it's the little wheel, hit settings. You're going to go to settings. You're going to scroll down a little bit till you see signature, and it's going to be the same thing. Do control, paste, be right in there. Go to the bottom, hit save changes. So now every time you hit compose, it's going to be automatically displayed in there. All right, so now that we have looked into the signature, now we're going to look into a couple examples. So here's an example of an opportunity from a certain company or program. Let's break this down. So first, let's go through the 3 Ps. This is professional, it is very polite, and it is to the point. So after you get something like this, you'd probably be excited for one, but two, now you gotta, calm down, calm the nerves down a bit, and make sure you reply within 2 days max. 48 hours is usually the grace period. After that, it's becomes in a sense unprofessional. So you want to make sure that you're responding in a timely manner. So your response would look something like this. So let's go over the 3 Ps. So is this polite? Yes. You have, I hope this email finds you well, setting the tone in a nice manner, ending with, I look forward to speaking with you, shows that they're excited, but it is very professional. So thank you for considering me. I'll be available for a phone interview and very specific too, yet it's to the point. These are the times I'm available. Let me know what works with you, and I look forward to speaking with you. That's kind of the gist of this email. All right, and that will conclude our 5 tips on how to improve your email etiquette. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much. We'll be having another video coming out on Thursday on how to utilize Trello. Trello is a fantastic platform in which you can organize all your schoolwork. So be sure to tune in, and I hope to see you guys next week. Thank you. Have a great one. Stay safe and be on the move.